Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you want to process a refund on the Square app, and whether it's a mistaken transaction or a customer request, guys, here's how to easily issue a refund using Square's platform. So let's actually get started. So first things first, guys, what you're gonna do is you want to open up the Square app on your mobile device, right? Log into your account if you're not already signed in, and then next what you're gonna do is tap on the Transactions tab at the bottom of your screen, and this will take you to a list of all your completed sales and payments. So what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to actually browse through the list of transactions and it just select the one you wish to refund. You can just use the search feature if you need to find the transaction quickly by things like the date, the amount, or customer name. And guys, once you have basically selected the transactions, you want to tap on it to open up the details, and you'll see an option that says a refund. Okay, tap on that to actually proceed. And then next, guys, you'll be prompted to enter the amount to actually refund. You can either refund at the full amount or a custom value if it's a partial refund. And after entering the refund amount, guys, you want to tap on refund to confirm, and you'll be asked to verify your action. And once confirmed, guys, Square will process the refund automatically, and Square will also automatically send a notification to your customer about the refund. You can also choose to send them a message directly from the app if needed. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button and also subscribing to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.